In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transcribe with Evernote. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves to stay organized, knowing how to transcribe audio, video, or even image files is a remarkably useful skill. Let's dive right into the process and make sure you have everything you need to effectively harness the power of Evernote for transcriptions. To get started, you'll first need to open the Evernote app on your device. If you already have a note that you're working with, you can open that up. Otherwise, it's simple to create a new note. Just click on the New Note button, and you'll have a fresh canvas ready to go. Within this note, you'll have the option to add various types of content, including the audio, video, or image file you'd like to transcribe. Once you have your note open, take your attention to the icons typically located at the top or bottom of your screen, depending on your device. Here, you'll find a paperclip icon. This is your go-to for attaching files. Give that icon a click or a tap. This action will prompt your device to open up a file selection menu, providing access to the files stored on your system. Here's where you select the specific file you want to transcribe, whether it's audio, video, or an image file. Scan through your device's file directory, find the file you need, and select it. Keep in mind, if your file is particularly large, the upload might take a few moments. It's essential to be patient during this stage, as Evernote prepares your file for processing. Now, here's where the magic happens. Once your file is uploaded into the note, you'll see a Transcribe button appear alongside your file attachment. This feature leverages Evernote's internal tools to convert your selected media directly into text. When you're ready, simply click or tap on the Transcribe button. You might need to hold on for a moment while Evernote does its work, converting the media content into text form right within your note. And that's all there is to it. Your file's contents should now appear as text in your Evernote note, ready for any annotations, adjustments, or organization you might need to do. There's beauty in the simplicity of using Evernote for transcription. No special software to download, no complicated processes to navigate, just a streamlined and efficient way to manage your content. With practice, this process will become a swift part of your workflow, enabling greater efficiency and productivity in whatever projects you undertake. Thank you for watching today, and I hope you found this guide useful. Happy transcribing, and until next time.